Good morning, Trojans. Today is Tuesday, April 16th, 2019, and you're watching Trojan TV. We have a baking video. Next up, some announcements.
Hello, seniors! I know that senior year is coming to an end, so I was hoping that you guys could help me by providing us with pictures or videos of you and your friends or whatever to this email right here, or you can come by D101 and give them to Mr. Cundiff. Thank you. Hello, Trojans. We're giving you the opportunity to participate in a college tour visit from Boston to New York. If you want to see cool places like the one behind me, make sure to come down to Annex 21 and talk to Ms. Flores. Remember, it's a first come, first served basis, so make sure to go on down to Annex 21. Thank you. Seniors, aka juniors, we are going to have a meeting on April 25th at the auditorium. Make sure to go down there because we're going to be covering topics such as college admissions and college tests that you need to take and FAFSA and so on. If you have any questions about the event, go down to F101 and they will answer your questions.
That's it for today, Trojans. I'll see y'all next time.